Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you Korean egg hacks. Let's get started. What's the easiest ingredient to cook in the world? I think egg. I think egg is the easiest ingredient to cook, and you can actually find anywhere in any countries. So I'm gonna teach you 6 different Korean egg hacks. Let's get started. To get started, we need dorso or stone bowl and 4 or 5 eggs, depends on the size of the bowl. I'm gonna crack 4 eggs into the bowl. Usually you use 4 to 6 eggs for jjim, but since my bowl is big, I'm gonna use 2 more. We need half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna add 150 milliliter of water. Whisk it well. The secret to make jjim is you need to fill the pot 70% to 80%. Since my bowl is big, I'm gonna add a little more water. Once you whisk it well, it's ready to cook. Turn your stove on medium. I'm teaching the most basic recipe, but if you like, you can add bacon, ham, veggies, mushroom, shrimp, so be creative. Creative. If you want to see my favorite way to make jjim, you can comment down below. After a minute, start gently mixing it. It will slowly start turning solid. Once it's 80% solid, we're gonna turn the heat to low and cover the pot. We're gonna cook it 5 to 6 minutes. Once you hear the sound, like bubble bubble or chee or chee, like, or when you smell a little burn, it's ready. Slice the green onion. This part is unnecessary, but I'm gonna decorate it. Put it on top of it. And we're gonna add a little bit of jjimjilbang. No, we're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil to give a little more flavor. Ta-da! Ooh, looks so good. Oh my god, it's so jiggling and I like the sound. ASMR. Jiggle, 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 what? Jiggle, 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 what? Jiggle, jiggle. 잘했어, 잘못했어. 딱대. Let's try. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh. It's really good. Ingredients are very basic, but the texture is perfect. It's super soft. It's like a egg pudding, but it's so toasted because of the sesame oil on top. And I personally don't like boiled egg because egg has yucky smell, but this one is not smelly at all. More like it's sweet. It's, oh, I added the sugar. We gotta move to the next one, but I wanna eat it. Move to next one. Next, we're gonna make gyeran, which is rolled omelette. To get started, we need 3 eggs. I used 10 eggs so far, and I think I'm gonna use more than 20 today. We need 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Whisk it well. And if you have a green onion, you can add it. I usually like to add bacon, spicy pepper, or sausage, like a lot of different ingredients, but today I'm gonna keep it basic. So I'm gonna add green onion and cheese. Okay, after you whisk it well, time to cook. Turn your stove on medium high and add some vegetable oil. Once pan is heated, we're gonna add enough egg to cover the bottom. When the edge is cooked, lift your pan to make the egg fall to the other side and start rolling and push back and the egg will fall and make another layer. And when there's space, add more egg. And roll it and pull it. Pour it. You don't need a square pan. I'm using square pan to make it more pretty. For the last layer, we're gonna add the cheese. I'm using Munster cheese, but you can add any cheese you like. Once you roll all the way, turn your stove off and place it on a cutting board. It is hard to cut when it's hot, so we're gonna cool it down a little bit. Look at the cheese. That's it. It's all ready to eat. Look at, oh my god, look at cheese. Oh my god, look at this cheese. Even though it's the same egg, it is super different than a jjim. Last one was like a cloud, like melting in my mouth. This one, I can feel the sponginess. It's so squishy and I really like it. It is a little salty by itself because it'll be perfect with rice. So, next one. Next is gyeran bibimbap, which is egg mixed rice. It's very simple and I had it a lot when I was young for snack. So turn your stove on medium and add some oil. Once the pan is heated, we're gonna add an egg. I want my egg to be over easy, and once you cook however you want, turn your stove off. Get a bowl and add some rice. You can use brown rice, mixed rice, white rice, any rice you want, but I'm using white rice because it tastes best. Put the egg on top. Add a half teaspoon of salt, but you can add more or less, depends on your preference. And a half tablespoon of sesame oil. And mix well. Okay, there are two different kinds of gyeran bibimbap. One is this, and my favorite one is this with the gochujang in it. And gochujang is this, which is red pepper paste. Ooh, spicy. Oh, I'm sweaty. Gochujang is usually spicy, and since it's really thick, it's kind of dry and make you sweat. And it's a little sweet, and I really like it. Add as much as you want. It all depends on your preference. There's no right or wrong. And mix well. This is the bibim part of bibimbap. Bibim means mixed. It's all ready to eat. Smells so nostalgic. Ooh, it's very spicy and very toasty. It just tastes like when I came back from school, I was super hungry and I asked my mom, is there any food? Can you make me something? And like she was like, it's not dinner time. Okay, but I'm super hungry. Okay, then she makes this for me, for my snack. And I miss my mom.
Next one.
Yeah. Next one. Next, I'm gonna make a mayak gyeran, which is a drug gyeran. It is called drug egg because once you have it, you're gonna get addicted. So to get started, we need 2 pepper. I'm using 2 different color of the pepper so it can be prettier. We're gonna slice lengthwise into quarters. Slice thinly and put to the side. Next, we need a quarter of an onion. Next, we need a quarter of an onion. We're gonna dice it. And put to the side. And we need some green onion. I'm using small one, but if you wanna use the big green onion, you can use it as well. Dice them up. Put to the side. Now we're gonna make our sauce. We need 100 milliliter of soy sauce. And I need 100 milliliter of water. 4.5 tablespoons of corn syrup. And mix well. Next, we're gonna add all the veggie that we prepared. And 2 cloves of minced garlic. Very complex, spicy, fresh, salty, and sweet. Once you mixed well, put it to the side. Get a pot and pour enough water to cover the eggs. And turn your stove on high heat. Once it's boiling, we're gonna add our eggs. Place them gently. And for first 30 seconds, we're gonna stir it. We're gonna boil it for 6.5 minutes. After 7 minutes, turn your stove off. And place your eggs into cold water. Next, take off the shells. Oh, oh, oh. Next, get a Tupperware. And we're gonna place the egg into the Tupperware. And we're gonna pour our sauce. And cover it up. And we're gonna place it into the fridge for at least 2 hours.
Later that same evening.
After at least 2 hours, take out your eggs. Ooh. This is how it looks. This part is unnecessary, but I'm gonna cut it so I can show you guys. Put it on top of the rice. And pour some sauce on top. That's it. Our mayak gyeran is all ready to eat. Okay, I'll show you how to eat. You can make either mixed rice or just scoop it and eat it together. But since this is really pretty, I don't want to ruin it. So I'm gonna just scoop it. Ooh, egg yolk. Get all the spicy pepper and an egg and a sauce. Oh my god. Super different. Definitely, this is my favorite out of all the hack that I did. Since I marinated the egg in the sauce, eggs soak up all the flavor. And Sarah was worried this is a pure soy sauce, but since I add a lot of different ingredients and water and a corn syrup, it's not salty at all. It's not salty at all. And before it get greasy or salty, pepper hit my tongue, made me wanna eat more. When I don't cook the egg fully, I get a lot of comment about is it okay to eat raw egg? But in Korea, it is pretty safe to eat raw egg. Little runny egg will be way better. So I recommend you to cook little undercook. Is that the word? So I recommend you to soft boil the eggs. Next one, Our last recipe is gyeran, jjimjilbang gyeran, or Korean sauna egg. I don't know what it's called, but when Korean go to the bathhouse, people eat this egg. Get enough egg to fill the bottom. I only have a 3 left. I think I had more than 20, but I only have 3 left, so I'm gonna only cook 3. And put it into your rice cooker. Add a really thin layer of water on the bottom. Like this much. Since my rice cooker is downstairs, I'm gonna go down and you guys gonna come with me. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. My house. This is my lovely house. Put it on the rice cooker and just cook it for 35 minutes. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I like to drink wine. Do 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 do. I like Bombay Sapphire, gin and tonic for the light.
Why?
I don't know. Do, 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 do. My coffee machine. Pico. Okay. Let's wait 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, take your egg out, peel it. Ooh, look at the color. It's brown. This is jjimjilbang egg. And then get some salt. Knock knock. I really like this way more than a boiled egg. Personally, I cannot eat boiled egg because when I was young, I ate the boiled egg and I got food poisoning. After that, I got trauma by like egg smell, like boiled egg yucky smell. So I can eat every egg except boiled egg. So when I was on diet, I have jjimjilbang egg instead of boiled egg, and it tastes so good. It's not smelly at all. So much better. No, last one. It was the last one. This is it for today's episode, and hopefully you can try it. And if you try, please let me know which one was your favorite, and let me know which ingredient you want me to hack next. See you next week. 안녕. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕.